So Pranav, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus
Yes.
Level 1.
Yes.
So what is the answer for 49
Yes, sir.
minus 6
Yes, sir.
minus 8
-8, sir. Yes, sir.
minus 7?
28, sir.
Very good. Next question.
Yes.
84
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
minus 6
Yes, sir.
minus 5.
65, sir.
60
Yes, sir.
plus 4
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 7.
63, sir.
Good. Next question.
Yes.
59
Yes, sir.
minus 5
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
minus 6.
40, sir.
Good. Next question. 35
35, sir.
minus 2
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
minus 4.
21, sir.
Next question. 74
Yes.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
minus 4
Yes, sir.
plus 7.
69, sir.
Next question. 35
Yes, sir.
plus 8
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Yes, sir.
plus 6.
41, sir.
Next question. 26
26, yes.
minus 3
Yes, sir.
minus 8
Minus.
8
Yes, sir.
minus 7.
-7, sir. 8, sir.
Next question. 34
34, yes.
minus 8
34 minus 8, yes, sir.
plus 9
Yes, sir.
plus 4.
39, sir.
Very good. Keep it up.